Grand opening ng Mawa Coffee sa bago nilang location. Ito yung cafe na nung pinost namin sila last year, akala ko new discovery siya. Tapos nabigla na lang ako sa comment section na sobrang dami na pala yung loyal customers na sumusuporta sa kanila. E di ang ending, ako lang pala yung nahuli sa balita. This is Mawa Coffee's new and bigger location. Ito yung address nila, located yan sa may Korean town. Mahahanap nyo rin sila sa Google Maps. Meron silang parking space at open sila daily from 3 p.m. to 12 midnight. Pero sana soon maging 24 hours na rin. Sumikat talaga sila sa kanilang Kung Pao chicken. I also enjoyed their sandwiches at yung kanilang roasted almond latte. Pero for today, o-orderin natin yung mga hindi pa natin napakita dati. We're starting off with their chicken Caesar salad that's light and refreshing, tapos may dalawang klase tayo ng burger. The first one I'm having, meron siyang bacon jam at the bottom, tapos double patty, double cheese na rin, at meron pang crispy bacon. Yung pangalawa, double patty and cheese na rin, pero yung sauce nito is made of 2 kinds of mushrooms, kaya it's packed with umami. Napaka-solid nitong version nila ng nasi goreng na merong sambal. It's very savory. Ito yung tipong hindi mo na kailangan ng ulam kasi yung rice pa lang niya sobrang malasa na. We'll be washing that down with some really good matcha cream latte, tapos titikman na natin yung mga pasta dishes nila. First things first, malaki na rin yung serving ng mga pasta so you can even have it for sharing. At eto yung kanilang very creamy na carbonara with mushroom and lots of crispy bacon on top. This next one naman is their Don Marcio pasta, which has squid ink noodles and a very creamy and a little bit tart and tangy na tomato-based sauce topped with some shrimp. We also have aligi rice with pork belly. Ito naman meron na agad siyang acidity from lemons kaya hindi ka na maghahanap ng sausawan na vinegar. I enjoyed their tiramisu latte, tapos ito naman yung cold brew cloud. And if you're in the mood for something chocolatey, orderin mo naman itong Choco Monster. Good for sharing itong higanting cup na to, pero available din yan in a smaller size. For dessert naman, we're having different flavors of cookies from Bisco. We had classic walnut, midnight tail, Biscoff cream, white matcha, and dark s'mores. Interesting mix of flavors and textures, not too sweet, perfect talagang ipares sa kape. Kung ang gusto mo naman sa drinks yung fruity, then you can have this mango graham smoothie. So eto na, sa lahat ng suki ng Mawa Coffee, ma-enjoy na natin yung kanilang food and drinks dito sa mas malaki at mas magandang location.